Tuckermans Ravine is perhaps the most well-documented and historical ski run in the U.S. If you're an East Coast skier, you know what this place is. And if you're like me, you've consumed all the media, read all the books, watched all the videos, and have been totally obsessed with this place for years and years and years. You know all about it even though you've never even been. But the fact of the matter is that nothing will satisfy that urge like actually going and skiing it for yourself. And this is a film about my pilgrimage to the East Coast backcountry mecca. Enjoy.
Alright, so I am back with another episode, probably going to be my favorite one of the season. We'll see how it goes. But today, I'm skiing Tuckermans Ravine for the first time. I'm currently parked at Pinkham Notch Visitors Center in New Hampshire, and today is April 21st, and it should be a good day. Let's get to it. Alright, so we are off to Tuckermans Ravine, and we're going to take the Tuckerman Ravine Trail. I switched strategy here. I got my hiking boots on with my ski boots on the pack. That was not the plan to start the day, but after seeing literally everybody go up in just hiking boots, I decided to bring the hiking boots for the hike out. I'll appreciate it, especially considering that about half of the ravine trail is going to be hiking out. Man, that feels good to get the skis off of the pack. I hiked in the lower quarter or third, just put the skis on. Feels so much better. Definitely glad that I brought regular boots for the lower portion because it was quite rocky and very icy at parts. And without regular hiking boots, it would have been a real struggle to get up. And what's more concerning is getting down. You can see over there the yellow rope. That's where the sherb is closed. Feel confident about my decision for transitioning. I just transitioned a couple hundred yards back. The sherb's open from there on up, and I feel pretty confident there should be snow for the rest of the ravine trail. I'm on the Tuckerman Ravine Trail, just about at Little Head Wall. It's pretty steep and icy. I was gonna wait till I got to the ravine floor to put on my crampons, but you can see the trail up here. It's just steep and icy, so it's like, why wait?
Once I reached the ravine floor, it was time to decide which line I would ultimately ski. Due to the overcast skies and lack of sun exposure, I decided that right and left gully would probably ski pretty similar, so I opted to head up right gully.
It's so freaking nice out, holy.
Once at the top of right gully, I was surprised to find how steep it really is up here. Pictures and videos just don't do it justice. So I was a bit nervous, but I collected myself, settled in, and dropped into right gully.
Oh man. That was great. just skied right gully. I'm gonna go down and head back to Hermit Lake and go ski Hillmans. Mid probably 40s, 50s. Not too many people here, but having a blast. Topped off the water, heading over to Hillmans. Didn't get any footage on the Tuckermans Ravine trail. It was really sketchy. Ski boots, rocks and ice everywhere. I'm excited to do Hillmans. It looks sweet from the side profile, and looks like it should be a long run. So. I'm gonna head up Hillmans, see about how far I can get. Even if I only go like halfway, I think I'll still be happy with the result. Have a good one.
And that was Hillman's Highway. Having just completed Hillman's, it was time to start making my way down the mountain. So I headed for the Sherburne and started making my way back to the car.
ski down to the yellow rope there. I can mark it on the map. It was, I'd say, probably 2/3 of the way down the Sherb. I just transitioned and put the skis back on my pack, and I'm now heading down the Tuckerman Ravine trail. I think there's about a mile left. That was Tux. Started out about 7:30 this morning. Back to the car at 4. Skied right Gully and Hillmans. Took it easy today. Had a blast. Beautiful weather. Couldn't have asked for a better day. So, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Cheers.